Hey guys, welcome back. So today you will write your very first real code in Python. We'll start simple, then take a step forward with features that real programmers use every day. Python is one of the world's most popular coding languages. It's simple to learn, powerful enough for apps and websites, and used heavily in artificial intelligence. That's why we're starting here. The first command you need is print. It tells the computer to show a message on the screen. Think of it as talking to the computer and asking it to talk back. This is the classic first program. When you run this line, the computer prints exactly what's inside the quotation marks. Try it yourself. Now change the message. Tell the computer your name, age, favorite food. It can be anything you want. You can write as many print statements as you want. Each line creates a new message. Comments are lines that start with a hashtag. The computer ignores them, but programmers use them to explain what their code does. Comments make your code easier to read. This creates a new line. Escape characters like dash, like slash n, let you control how text appears. Think of them as formatting tools inside your code. You can join pieces of text using the plus symbol. This is how programs build custom messages for each user. Now let's make your program interactive. With input, your program can ask the user a question and store the answer. Then you can use that answer to create a personalized message. This is your first true conversation with a computer.